Prejudice is weakness. Judge not, that ye be not judged. Matthew chapter 7 verse 1. The word prejudice means prejudging or making an estimate of others without knowing the facts. Prejudice is a mark of weakness, not of strength. Prejudice is measured by computing the distance between our own biased opinions and the real truth. If we would all be perfectly honest before God, there would be no prejudice. Prayer for the day. You love each one of us with a love that breaks through all prejudicial barriers, Father. Forgive me for the times I judge others. Purify my heart, that I may be used to draw people together into the bond of Christ's unified